Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and non-binary people. Today's video, we're gonna go a little bit back to the past. We're gonna go back to the 90s, 60s, if that's how we say. Top routine that they did. Oh, it's a video, it's a really old video. I got inspired by, her name is Bex Beauty. She's on TikTok. I saw her video, I was like, I want to do this. I found like the video she used, I like the idea she did. I didn't watch the whole fucking video actually. Well, we're gonna watch the video together. If you know, you know. Oh, this is so much better.
Accentuate the good points.
What? What do you mean? What? Vintage makeup tutorial 90s 69.
Results can become
Ooh.
Take advantage of what's there. Accentuate the good points. Minimize the others. Foundation is used as a base for the rest of your makeup. Work the foundation from the center of the face toward the hairline.
I stole my mom's foundation again because I don't have foundation. Basically, she did like, She's showing me her dog.
While a reddish skin can be toned down.
Is it tissue? Okay. Still looks, for some reason, she dabbed her face. I don't know why.
Dark circles under the eyes are often caused by not enough sleep.
Okay, no, don't do this. Don't start. What did she apply?
To cover them up, use a foundation 2 or 3 tones lighter.
Okay.
Base by highlighting cream.
Do you see any difference?
Blush is applied to give cheeks a quiet glow. A good rule to follow is never let blush come nearer the nose.
This is the part I'm gonna show you. My cousin, give me this. This is supposed. Okay, those are missing. I don't know. She said she doesn't know where they are, but there's the blush here. I'm gonna use the blush. Looks like this. They're pretty identical. Don't ask me what brand this is. She didn't smile while doing this. I'm telling you this. I have no goddamn idea what I'm doing with my life right now. I look like I have a full face of makeup, but this is just... oh, crazy.
Blushes can also be used for contouring.
Play too much. I play too much? No. This is the best I could give you.
Powder sets and blends your makeup. The simplest powder to use is a colorless, translucent one. Pat on liberally.
A setting powder. Sorry, it's not an old one. Oh, we forgot to speak like with this one. I fear that something got into my eye. I am not sure.
Eyebrows can make a nose seem longer. To remove straggly brows, lubricate them with Vaseline or baby oil and pluck with tweezers.
Oh shit, I don't have an eyebrow anything. That's what existed in the freaking 60s? Holy crap. Alright, this Vaseline. Let me use it on my eyebrows, which I've never done actually. Oh, that nail was amazing. Publish the letters you wrote to. No, 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 no. This is really bad. Oh, no, no, no. No, 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 no.
Lid highlight with a creamy pale shade is flattering to most eyes. Contour and emphasis, a taupe or brown shade is placed into the lid crease and just above the lid. A gleam of pearly white or beige on the bone just beneath the brow.
I have one that looks like this. Whatever. Oh my god, you don't know how many years it has been since I used those. I have to use them now. Show me your face again, please, women. Please, miss. I look like I don't have any fucking eyelashes right here. Oh my god, this looks so weird. Holy shit, this woman looks good, but I look weird. This is also my fault because I do not wanna touch my eyebrows. I don't know, pay me to touch my eyebrows. I ain't touching this freaking. Can I change this shit? Holy shit. Look baldish. Move on.
Eyeliner is used to make the lashes seem longer. Eye as close to the lashes as possible. Mascara makes lashes look longer and fuller. Separate the lashes with a clean brush.
Bitch, I don't have a liquid eyeliner. Are you joking? They use a pencil. I mean, she said eyeliner. I don't have a liquid eyeliner. Why? Thank you. Okay, basically, she did this. This is separate.
A subtle color is the most becoming. Firmly on the table, supporting the chin with one hand while steadying the action with your drawing hand. Start from the center of the upper lip, drawing a smooth curve to the outer corner. Lower lip, start at the corner and come to the center with those firmly on the table.
Is that red? I don't have red. Okay, this is the most red I have right now. It's how. Basically, close this lip palm in their time. I should have trusted the process. Look weird. Sixties hair styles. Oh no, I look like berries and cream. No. Right now. I have liars. Didn't I have liars in the fucking 60s? Holy crap. Fades. Nope. La 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 la. This is the last time I do this. Thank you for watching this video. I hated this video. Thank you for watching. This is bad. Like, I can't even explain how bad it is. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one. Bye bye.